So I'm Mark Toy. I'm the commander of the Mississippi Valley Division out of Vicksburg, Mississippi. And this is a Business Opportunities Open House. We're really pleased to bring you the second one that we're doing in the Valley. Business Opportunities Open House, or what we call BOOH. I remember when we brought it to the division, people saw the acronym BOOH, and they thought bat out of, and then we stopped right there. I said, no, maybe I should have rethought that. But as Si said, this is about getting you business. In the Corps of Engineers now, our normal program across the entire enterprise was about 25 billion, 26 billion. It's ballooned across all our business lines to over 66 billion. Civil Works is a huge part of that. I mean, Civil Works is what we do here in the Valley. And so for those of you companies that are out there that have never done work with the Corps before, especially the small businesses, but including large businesses, now's your chance. And so that's the reason why we have all the programs here for St. Louis out to explain what they're doing so that we can get you a contract. As I said, you know, at Corps of Engineers, we can't do the work without our great partners like you. So we want you to get out there, learn what's coming in terms of program. We just had the FY21 budget come out. We're executing the FY20 work plan. So there's a lot of opportunities that are out here. So even when you think that your company is not postured for a certain business line within the Corps, stop by and talk to these great employees here at the St. Louis District and find out there might be some type of connection, and you might be able to partner with another company here and get work with the Corps. So we're really happy to do this. The other last thing I'll say, St. Louis is the second one. The next one that we have is Memphis. After that is Vicksburg. We've got New Orleans, and we've got St. Paul, and this is going to happen twice a year within our valley in each district. So stay connected, enjoy. I look forward to talking to you, learning about your program, and building strong. One of the things that we like to talk about in the Corps of Engineers here in the Valley is that we're building strong and we're taking care of people. Taking care of people means taking care of not only employees that work in the Corps, but taking care of our partners, and that's you. So as I said, we don't have a lot of PowerPoint because we're really about developing the relationships, valuing the open communication that we have across the Valley. So enjoy yourself. They picked a great spot here, and I'll turn it over to John now. So thank you all very much.